Hello everyone, it's 16th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have India set to host 2030 Commonwealth Games in Gujarat. Again, very important news. Then we have Trump tariff exports to US dip 12%, but China and UAE cushion blow. Again, very important for international relations as well as economy perspective. Moving forward, we have China's rare earth squeeze may push India-US deal to finish line, but timing is the key. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have SC ban allows green crackers in Delhi NCR on 2 days for Diwali. Again, a very important news for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have for the first time in 15 years, ratio of women to men voters declines in Bihar. Again, a very important news for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have big Diwali rush chokes traffic on the city roads. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have CM hails balance between tradition, protecting environment. Again, very important for environment as well as equality and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have amid skepticism, green crackers return. Very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says, a cut in the right direction. The much needed GST reduction could be a sign that big bang reforms are ahead. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have using safety net. Again, a very important editorial. Then we have discrete charm of potholes. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have ringing out the old world order. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have don't blame the firecracker. Very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have month after she took cold rift syrup, 4-year-old dies in Nagpur hospital. Very important for health related perspective. Then we have how Kerala cops tracked down fake PM Kisan app fraudster from Dharavi. Again, very important news. Then we have this economy page. Room for further cut in policy rate, but time not opportune, says RBI governor. Very important for economic perspective. Google's $15 billion AI hub in AP. Decoding it's important for India. Very important again for economic perspective. Musk's legal fight over $56 billion payday from Tesla in final stage. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, you have the world page. Hamas hands over more bodies of hostages after Israel threatens to cut humanitarian aid. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Pakistan, Afghanistan agree to 48-hour truce after fresh airstrike clashes. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Madagascar's military coup leader says he is taking position of president. Then we have Germany pledges huge military aid package to Ukraine as it puts 2026 defense needs at $120 billion. Both news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explained page. We have the new power of the rare earths. Again, very important news. Going forward, we have Pakistan-Afghanistan ties, past imperfect, present tense, future uncertain. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.